metal holder comes with a ring. The ring has two sides, one is sharp side and one is flat side. Make sure the sharp side facing inward. Okay. Without the ring, the button cannot be fixed to the metal holder. So fixed to the metal holder, you can take it out and fix it. Make sure the sharp edge is facing inward. And the fixing tool comes in two parts. This outer and this inner fixing tool. The fixing tool is to hit the ring, not the I button or the holder. It's just to fix the ring into the holder. Fix nicely. Always make sure the holder is fixed on the hard surface, so that when you hammer, the ring will go with the hard surface impact.